Alright, hello everyone. It is time for basement fire alarm test 36. Got some new devices up for today, so let's go ahead and take a quick look at them. Starting right here, we got an Edwards 270 SPO. Nice and standard. This isn't a OA SPO or anything different like that, just a classic 270 SPO. As you see, I don't have the stopper on for this test, just because having the stopper there would make it really difficult to reset this pull station, so I removed it for the purposes of this test. The notification appliance is actually something different. You guys haven't seen this yet. This is my EST Genesis LED horn strobe, the older variation of it. It's basically the same thing as a wheel lock exceeder LED horn strobe, but what's different about this is that it actually it has a different sound than the Genesis and the wheel lock horn strobes. It sounds kind of like a classic on FWR. It's the closest thing I can compare it to. It's still a high-pitched screech, but it's a unique one. Let me see if I can... you can't really see it, but it's on 15 candela, low volume code 3. So let's go ahead and pull the 270 SPO. Alright. 3, 2, 1. And since it's a 2-wire device, no audible silence for this test. Let's go ahead and reset the pull station. Resetting this pull station is pretty simple. Just take a screwdriver, turn it a little bit, and it opens like so. Flip the switch down, and then snap it shut. And since the pull station, since the panel can re-alarm on the same device, we'll go ahead and activate this inspection or fire drill style, where you just open it up, flip the switch for an alarm. So there's the test video. As you've now heard, that horn strobe does have a pretty unique sound, and the strobe is pretty unique. The flash duration is quite a bit longer than most strobes. It also has a bit of a blue tint to it, which is pretty interesting. So, yeah. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the links in my description. Thank you and have a great day.